Considering a new electric scooter for your daily commute? Today we're looking at the Hiboy S2, a popular choice for budget-conscious riders. It features 8.5-inch solid tires for no flat rides and a convenient folding design. Check the link in the description for the best price. Here's how the Hiboy S2 performs in everyday situations. A speed of up to 19 miles per hour makes short city trips very manageable. Its folding frame is a significant advantage for storage and transport. Those solid tires, while preventing flats, do transmit a lot of road imperfections. The combination of electronic and mechanical brakes provides a good level of control. This scooter provides useful speeds for city travel and a practical folding mechanism, though the ride itself can be quite firm due to its tires. Evaluating the Hiboy S2's cost against its features and benefits. It's frequently on sale, making it one of the most budget-friendly options available. Solid tires mean you'll never have to worry about flat tires or repair costs. The range is perfectly adequate for most short, everyday commuting needs. It holds its own very well against other basic commuter scooters on the market. This scooter offers excellent initial value and cost savings through its durable, puncture-free tires, making it competitive. Assessing the safety and potential downsides of the Hiboy S2. Smaller solid tires mean less forgiveness on rough roads or when hitting small obstacles. Battery safety is good, though proper charging practices are always recommended. Always check your local laws regarding speed limits and where you can legally ride. Hiboy provides better availability for replacement parts compared to many smaller brands. While generally safe, riders should be aware of how solid tires handle bumps and ensure compliance with local laws. The Hiboy S2 is a dependable option for short, smooth urban commutes, especially if you want to avoid flats. Just be mindful of its limitations in ride comfort on rougher surfaces and realistic range expectations. It's a recommended choice when price and practicality are key.